Cheap electric car? An unbelievable price tag revealed. One of the attractions of the new offering is the choice of an inflated airbed, which is provided by the Chinese automaker Wuling in its new electric hatchback model, the Bingo. The manufacturer's new electric flagship vehicle, the Wuling Bingo, is a cute small hatchback aimed at Chinese urban women consumers. The Shanghai Auto Show is where it will be made public for the first time. Welcome to Voltify, the one-stop channel where you can find everything about electric vehicles. In today's video, we will go through the cheap electric car Wuling Bingo. Before getting into the video, please share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these. Also, tap on the bell icon for notifications. Without further ado, let's get into it. The brand new Wuling Bingo EV is a totally electric retro-style hatchback that will introduce the company's next-generation design language. This new design language differentiates from all of the brand's present ideas by having a body with a more rounded overall shape. The Bingo is unique in that it is the first four-door electric vehicle created by the GM joint venture that is responsible for the Wuling and Baojun brands. The latest electric hatchback from Wuling, a Chinese automaker, is dubbed Bingo, and it boasts a special feature, the choice of an inflatable airbed. The new vehicle has a lot of great features, one of which is this upgrade. In China, metropolitan women are the target market for the Wuling Bingo, an attractive and practical electric hatchback. It is scheduled to make its public premiere at the Shanghai Auto Show next month and will serve as Wuling's new flagship electric vehicle. Wuling is expanding into a new area of the Chinese market for electric vehicles. The company has its eyes set on the market right above the wildly popular Wuling Mini EV. This new Wuling Bingo, a stylish hatchback with a rounded shape and some retro characteristics, will be the vehicle to drive the charge. The wheel covers in particular offer a vintage feel. On its snout is a big gray Wuling logo. The lower portion of the doors is covered by a stylish chrome strip, and the beltline is as straight as an arrow. Since 2023, SAIC GM Wuling has been producing the battery-powered subcompact automobile known as the Wuling Bingo under the Wuling name. Following the release of the Hongguang Mini EV electric microcar, Wuling added the Bingo, a traditional five-door hatchback, to its lineup of city vehicles. The round oval shape is also present in the passenger compartment. Two monitors that serve as clocks and the main touchscreen of the entertainment system, respectively, are located on the dashboard. The latest electric hatchback, the Wuling Bingo, has been unveiled by SAIC GM Wuling, a partnership between three businesses. This vehicle, which is slated to be the producer's flagship electric vehicle, is marketed to urban Chinese women consumers. Images that were just made public reveal a chic interior with a dual-screen dashboard evoking Mercedes-Benz styles. The Bingo was developed specifically for the domestic Chinese market in response to other urban electric vehicle models. It has styling with retro influences and is defined by having a round body with oval headlights and rear lamps. The body is available in 4 hues, 3 of which have a painted roof in a contrasting color: white and black, green and black, pink and white, or entirely black. The first 5-door all-electric vehicle from Wuling is called the Bingo. On February 7, 2023, Wuling Bingo made their official debut, portraying their new vehicle as a large 5-door all-electric vehicle and announcing 4 different color options for it: milk coffee white, Yao Yi black, aurora green, and ice berry powder. On February 14th, Wuling Motor formally unveiled the exterior design and internal specifications of its spacious 5-door pure electric Wuling Bingo. The Wuling Bingo vehicle body data was made public on February 23rd. According to the automaker, Wuling Bingo had its formal premiere on March 29th in China, where it is expected to cost between 70,000 and 100,000 renminbi. Customers can pick from 5 variants with cruise ranges of 203 kilometers and 333 kilometers CLTC. Bingo is positioned above the Wuling Hongguang Mini EV as Wuling's new model in the compact electric vehicle market that targets female and young consumer groups. The dimensions of 3950 by 1708 by 1580 millimeters and a 2560 millimeter wheelbase make Wuling Bingo as a whole charming, round, and vintage. When viewed from the side, the black paint on the A, B, and C pillars gives the impression of a hanging roof. On the lower edge of the window, which goes all the way to the C pillar, there are also ornate strips made of chrome plating. Before we move on, for more interesting content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Voltify. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever a new video is posted. Two types of powertrains are available for new Bingo. A 50 kilowatt motor is now available in addition to the original model's 30 kilowatt motor. There are two available battery packs to power these motors. The base model has a 17.3 kilowatt hour battery. However, a larger pack is available, increasing the battery capacity to 31.9 kilowatt hours. There is a DC rapid charging option. However, the precise charging speeds are not yet known. With the larger battery pack, the range can be increased to 330 kilometers NEDC from the anticipated 200 kilometers NEDC with the smaller battery. The rated consumption is 9.58 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers, although we anticipate that this will be higher in practice. The smaller battery needs 5.5 hours to fully charge, while the larger battery needs 9.5 hours. Both variants enable AC charging at a maximum of 3.3 kilowatts. The latter, however, has a DC rapid charging capability that may reach a 30 to 80% level of charge in just 35 minutes. Faux leather covers the seats, and there is a heavy vintage steering wheel among the round and curvy design elements on the inside. A digital assistant is included with the infotainment system, and there are probably going to be many connectivity choices. Passengers have plenty of legroom because the front seats are divided by an open area. The cabin's usability is increased by the placement of a drive selector and an electronic handbrake in between the seats. The 2018 Shanghai Auto Show is when Wuling Bingo will make its public premiere. The Wuling Bingo has flexible rear seats in the back that can be independently pulled down to create a roomy 790 liters of storage. Through its official catalog, Wuling also provides a variety of accessories, including portable storage containers, camping gear, lamps, and radios. Even a child car seat that exactly fits on the back bench of the Bingo has been created by the firm. For those who prefer camping, Wuling will also provide an optional inflatable airbed, enabling them to sleep soundly in the great outdoors. That's all for today. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Also, express your valuable thoughts in the comments section below. We'll see you in our next video. Until then, bye. Also, spend some time watching other videos on the channel.